Every home begins with a vision, and this unique home began with a search. When our clients came to us, they were looking for a place to capture their creativity and thoughtful design, have family, and enjoy coastal living. This unique home site actually wasn't even available at the time, and Tongue and Groove was able to procure this lot for our clients and create an opportunity that didn't even exist before. This home represents a new chapter, the finish line to a long and successful career, and a place to pause and relax and enjoy the beach. Let's step inside. So coming inside on the main level, you'll find a beautiful open foyer, access to the second level, garage access, elevator access, and you can come straight through out to your outdoor living. On the main level, we're here in this awesome catch-all space. You've got a place to relax, a place to entertain, a kitchenette for a drink or a snack, place to dine, and it all floods out into this gorgeous outdoor living space. With the collapsible wall, the outdoors can come in. So as we transition upstairs to the main level, you'll see all of this beautiful natural light flooding in. The space opens up with high ceilings, and you realize you're in the heart of the home. The main living spaces are full of unique layered details. In contrast to this modern staircase, our clients selected cork flooring, which provides softness and warmth and is also just unique selection. The kitchen space is refined, simple yet functional. Fully integrated, panel-ready appliances disappear into the cabinetry. You're connected to your entire living space, so easy entertaining while preparing a meal. With this incredible clean and minimalistic kitchen, we have to have a little extra space to stash all of the goodies and snacks and additional appliances. So behind me, we've got more drawers, and then around the corner, tucked away, is a pantry space with an extra fridge, dishwasher, and plenty of shelves for all the good stuff. As we transition from the kitchen into an intermediate dining area, we're now in the living room. And something that's so striking about this living room, even for a very modern home, is the softness. The colors and the textures create such a sense of calm and relaxation. Paired with these towering windows full of natural light, you really have a space to relax and unwind and disconnect. At the center of this living room is this incredible decked-on fireplace that goes all the way to the ceiling. It's flanked by walnut cabinets, providing a sense of depth and warmth. What makes this level so successful is balance. It's modern yet comfortable, minimalistic yet inviting. Off of the kitchen and living spaces, we've got a powder bath as well as his study/office. This is clearly a space for a collector and an enthusiast of the finer things. So on the opposite end of the house from the study, off of the kitchen and main living space, is this little screening room. You've got a mini fridge, some additional storage, these big cozy chairs, and your TV so you can settle in, relax, and watch a great film. Stepping into the master suite, This room is filled with soft organic materials. It's clean, it's minimalistic, peaceful, and tranquil. It's the perfect place to escape at the end of the day. Right off the bedroom is the master bath, and this is truly a showstopper master bath. It's anchored by this incredible copper soaking tub. You've got an open, zero entrance shower right around the back of this wall here. His and hers vanities, his and hers closets. You truly have a spa-like experience in this bathroom. So stepping up to the third level, you're met with incredible views of both the main level, the living room here below, the outdoor living and the pool here on this side, and the street views beyond. We've got guest accommodations and a bonus room. So off of all the guest areas here on the third level, we have another bonus room. So in here you can relax, watch a movie, prepare a snack. Long-term guests can relax up here away from the main spaces of the home. And even if this isn't a main space, every selection in here works with the overall vision for this home. So coming out through the main level, off the foyer, we've got an entrance that comes right between the two garage spaces. You can rinse off with your outdoor shower and fire up the grill at your outdoor kitchen after a day at the beach. In many ways, this home represents everything we want to provide for our clients. We helped them find the lot, craft architecture, designed the home, and tongue and groove built the home. It's a testament to our philosophy. We want to imagine with you, build for you, so that you can live life without regrets. I'm Claire Kelly with Tongue and Groove here in Carolina Beach, North Carolina.